You've seen the images, thousands of satellites spinning around the Earth, blanketing the sky in data. They say they beam signals for GPS, television, weather, and even the internet. But here's the question no one dares ask. Have you ever actually seen one? Let's peel back the layers of the great satellite illusion. According to space agencies, over 6,000 satellites are orbiting the Earth right now. They show us animations, renders, graphics of floating machines circling a globe. But look up, look through a telescope. Where are they? You can track the moon, you can even see Mars with a good lens. But satellites? Just blinking lights maybe. And rocket launches? Have you ever noticed they arc, then disappear over the ocean? They don't go straight up. They don't break through a dome. They follow a curve like they're hiding something. In 2023, a high-altitude balloon was spotted by civilians, and the media called it a satellite. Why? Because that's all satellites ever were. Balloons in the sky. Google's Project Loon admitted it. High-altitude balloons providing internet coverage. No orbit needed. Balloons are cheap, quiet, reusable. They can hover for weeks. So, again, why would anyone spend billions to launch fragile machines into space when a balloon does the job? Let's talk about communication. GPS and global internet don't need satellites. There are over 1.3 million kilometers of fiber optic cables running under the ocean. They connect every major continent, every country. And GPS? It's not space-based. It's ground-based triangulation. Your device pings local towers just like cell service. Try this test. Turn on airplane mode, then turn off Wi-Fi. Watch your GPS stop. If satellites are always above you, why can't they find you without ground signals? Now, let's talk about the photos. The famous Earth images from space? They're not real. NASA even admitted it. The blue marble was stitched together from strips of data. It's not a photograph, it's Photoshop. Search NASA's site for an unedited photo of Earth. You'll find renders, composites, and illustrations. No raw images. So what are we really looking at? CGI, not science. Now let's go back in time. In 1960, NASA launched Project Echo, a giant inflatable satellite. It was literally a balloon, a giant metal-coated sphere floating above the Earth, and they called it a satellite. It was the first of many lies. Today, we're told satellites are in geostationary orbit, moving thousands of miles an hour. Yet somehow, we're never hit by falling debris. How convenient, and the money. The global satellite industry is worth over $270 billion. That's a lot of incentive to fake it with CGI and launch footage no civilian can verify. Ever wonder why no civilian has ever launched their own camera to orbit? Because orbit is a myth. The only thing spinning is the story. Still think satellites are real? Look up tonight. You'll see stars, maybe the moon. You might catch a plane. But you won't see the thousands of satellites they promised you, because they were never there. Satellites don't exist. And maybe, just maybe, space doesn't either. Question everything.